Pleased to see you again, everyone, at Wealthy Coin. With a fresh break, the SHIB army is going all out, and whales are going completely crazy over Shiba Inu currency. This day's Shiba Inu update: more than 1.2 million symbolic holdings and an astounding $5 billion in market capitalization have contributed to Shiba Inu's multi-billion resource status, which major unified trades like Binance have documented. This video will go over the SHIB military. Everything, including the latest reports on Shiba Inus. Take a look at our most recent content on Shiba Inu value projections and master inspection by crushing approval, sharing, and buying into the feed. It is time to begin the video now. The Shiba Inu people have been waiting expectantly for SHIB, the stage's Metaverse drive. Despite the fact that they are a noisy Shiba time eternal, they have been obliged to wait what seems like an eternity to start their Metaverse endeavor. However, the community was only informed of another Metaverse project that Shiba Inu had been asked to handle. Shoshu Kusuma, lead engineer of Shiba Inus, tweeted on November 23rd that the International Monetary Discussion had asked Shiba to develop some strategies. According to Shoshu Kusuma, the opportunity to collaborate with the organization on the MV Worldwide arrangement was a pleasant surprise. He insisted that this group was working with Central and Meta and Sandbox. The MV might deduce the Metaverse. The choice to accept or reject the proposal will be made by the People's Group. By the time this composition was made, over 18,000 votes had been cast, with more than 60% of the designer's 850,000 fans voting in favor of accepting the proposal. Recent data from Whale Statistics revealed that 3.14% of SHIB belonged to the top Ethereum holders. The estimated value of the holding is close to $70 million. Important financial backers in the endeavor are further indicated by the possessions. In addition, data from CoinMarketCap shows that the market cap increased by more than 8% in the past few hours. Regardless, the data also demonstrated that the trading volume had dropped by 100% in the previous day. There was also an increase, according to SHIB's dynamic tendencies over the past few days. An increase in the number of dynamic places was revealed by the opinion metric. The amount increased from 88,000 territory in late October to around 130,000 at the hour of writing. Regardless, Santiment's market worth to acknowledge esteem left SHIB holders bewildered. The data from Santiment indicates that those who purchased the token within the past 30 days had a 12.5% deficit. Investors who put money into the market at that time would have lost almost 12% if they sold now. Based on an analysis of its daily period cost development, SHIB's cost responded positively to this most recent news. Within the expected time frame of the exchange, it had grown by more than 2%. At the end of the last meeting, it was also guaranteed to have gained more than 4%. Even though the hotline was visible at approximately 0.00008, the price of SHIB had been going laterally on the graph. Additionally, it might be observed that it had passed through the aid and fallen before rising. It is possible to observe the value growth of SHIB by observing the 50 yellow line and the 200 blue line moving midpoints. They were also very effective as a barrier at a cost of approximately $0.00000000. Even though the expression should be moving in the direction of the neutral line, the overall strength index RSI line also showed that the resource was moving in the other direction. As the nation gets ready to celebrate Thanksgiving, the SHIB military has plenty for which to be thankful this year. Designers of the renowned picture currency Shiba Inu were able to pull off 2 or 3 crucial redesigns for its second commemoration, which was well received. As an example, Shiba Endless Collectible was released for mobile devices, and SHIB Radio also has a dedicated app for mobile devices at the moment. Thanksgiving filled with joy. As of November 23, 2022, SHIB Armed Force, however, the most effective advertising revolves around SHIB, the Layer 2 revamp. The SHIB stablecoin, SHIB's Metaverse project, should be able to take root thanks to the Layer 2 scaling mechanism. In addition to Shiba Time Everlasting's blockchain alternative, some engineers are very careful not to reveal any plans because of the harsh conditions in the ongoing crypto winter. This is meant to irritate the less tenacious members of the SHIB Armed Force. The Savage Bears wasted no time seizing the chance to kick SHIB during this crypto winter pumped with FTX. The most active crypto community on Twitter, however, maintains optimism regarding the dominant attitude. Since SHIB is the focus of core designer Shoshu Kusuma, SHIB's injured eye should heal quickly. Furthermore, X Fund, a group of cooperating engineers, recently announced the launch of W Asset. W Asset will oversee all Ethereum-based projects with SHIB restacking 87% before Thanksgiving. Michael Sagoin's Kryptonite Dope on November 22nd has my full confidence. The year 2022. On the other hand, the renowned image coin is currently worth 0.888 USD, having gained 2.8. It appears like SHIB is preparing for a comeback meeting with a large influx of trading volume after several days of losing money. Regardless, the time of gourmet specialist SHIB's partnership with Shiberia will launch another segment for the rapidly expanding crypto region, which will be crucial to many of the recovery efforts. Join us at Regal on November 23, 2022 for Thanksgiving with culinary master Asag and SHIB. Shibu tokens have been bought by whales time and time again. While another whale was come into existence with 88,119,788,000 SHIB tokens and $34,848 USD some time ago, since Shiba Inu is the second most held non-stable coin, Ethereum whales are still holding on to it. As the Shirem send-off date approaches, whales are reportedly buying, and SHIB consumers have promised to ramp up their purchases once the ship departs. Although investors are taking a bird's-eye perspective of the big picture, Shirem will be the primary consumer component of the entire SHIB ecosystem. Even the brand-new Shiba Time Everlasting game, which was originally supposed to not feature ETHs, provides developers with a limited consumption mechanism at the moment. There will be SHIB consumables, Shiba Trade V2, Shirem, and Shanit on every forthcoming level. There is a good reason why the game is the main exception. Seeing the hopes of the developers and group SHIBs from last year realized is motivating, and keeping promises is a very bullish indicator for when the business sectors start to recover. Despite the token's precipitous decline in value over the past year, the Shiba Inu's widespread popularity shows no signs of abating. The number of new holders continues to grow. For example, despite extremely bad sentiment in the business sectors, the project added 50,000 new holders recently. A newly minted Shiba Inu whale spent $1.7 million for nearly 1.3 trillion SHIB tokens not long ago. This wallet went from having only one exchange to being the 46th largest SHIB whale in no time. The 77th largest SHIB whale also received an additional 432 billion SHIB tokens, or $3.8 million. At the moment, the whale is sitting on around 5,243 billion SHIB tokens, which are worth 474 million SHIB tokens, which are worth 474 million USD. The combined wealth of the two enormous Shiba Inu owners is 1729235724916249162 SHIB. This amounts to $15.6 million. The World Economic Forum WEF has stated its interest in collaborating with the SHIB group to define global metaverse strategy, which may explain the whale interest. One of the largest global financial organizations is the World Economic Forum WEF. Unexpected interest could have been sparked by the possibility of an organization. Engineer Shoshir Kama of the Shiba Inu breed even put the Make a Difference initiative to a vote to gauge community needs. With 62.3% of the vote, the SHIB group was chosen to collaborate with the WEF. On top of that, Shiba Inu has just announced another exclusive partnership for its company with Travala. Customers who use SHIB tokens to book appointments will now be eligible for travel credits, even though the booking platform added support for the popular K9-themed cryptocurrency in December 2021. Even in the down market, SHIB has been well received, proving its widespread popularity with retail customers. The SHIB cryptocurrency was trading at $0.911 on November 23rd, by 0.8%. Well, that's all for now. Get the latest content by crushing approval, sharing, and subscribing to the feed.